Cherry seed oil, nature's gift for skin and health benefits. Welcome, my friends, to my channel. Welcome to the world of natural flavors of oils, where we explore together the benefits, characteristics, and advantages of different types of oils. We will provide you with valuable and useful information about natural oils, essential oils, and edible oils and how they can be used to improve our health and beauty. Today we will talk about this natural oil. I mean being in a cherry field, relaxing in the aura of mature sweet fruits. You can feel the calm come over you as a slight breeze passing through brings in an airy fragrance of all this lovely fruit. Few people know that there is a real treasure hidden in these small red-orange fruits, cherry seed oil. This is definitely a non-traditional oil than any other in beauty as well hair care, but it truly embodies the meaning of health and good looks alike. Today, as interest in natural products continues to rise, cherry seed oil is increasingly known for its amazing benefits. In this review, we will go on an in-depth journey showing of how can you make use of this golden oil to boost your beauty and health that turn your daily routine into a luxurious face spa with self-care. What is cherry seed oil? Cherry seed oil is a type of natural oil that reveals on the cherry seeds, from Prunus avium or Prunus cerasus sorts. One of the best choices for skin and hair care alike. This oil is a rich source of different vitamins, essential fatty acids as well antioxidants, and literally gives your skin an immediate vitality boost. It is packed with zero greasy and light ingredient, which helps you use it on daily basis without leaving any residue in your hairs or skin. They derive that high content of oleic and linoleic acids, along with natural tocopherols, vitamin E. This blend was potent in terms moisturizing action to the skin as well protection from free radicals, hence anti-aging effect on both hair and scalp. Home Biblical Systemic Theology Testimony. Cherry seed oil. This is my cherry seed oil beauty experience over the past weeks, and I have to say, yes, you can feel that your skin plus hair has changed. At first, I was skeptical of its ability to make a difference, but soon the mind shift and uncomplicated yet significant changes started emerging. My personal 6-paragraph entry goes into more detail. First application. I loved its light texture and mild scent from the first moment I applied cherry seed oil to my skin. Amazingly, unlike so many of oils, which give you that island girl heavy stench or greasy touch, this one just kind of dissipated. I used it just after a shower and my skin felt silky smooth, with absolutely no oily greasy residue at all. First week. A full week in, and the texture of my skin was looking significantly better. The original serum cleared up years of really dry, flaky skin, and I woke to areas that were now perfectly soft. I mean, my skin even looked brighter, and I was literally prancing around the house with a newfound love for what the mirror reflected back to me. Hair care journey. Given that my hair is generally very dehydrated, I figured the oil might even make a good trial on me. Within those few uses, it was clear. My hair seemed glossier, silkier to the touch, and had a nice bounce when I moved. The oil also did wonders in taming frizz, which I was happily surprised about. Daily routine integration. The cherry seed oil became a regular in my beauty regimen fast. I wore it under sunscreen when I went outside, and because of the light texture my makeup applied flawlessly on top. I used it on the ends of my hair and they looked so shiny all day long. Long-term effects. The longer effects became quite obvious after using the oil for a full month. Now my skin was even shinier and looked smoother, and the tone of its completion had already improved. The oil seemed to seal in moisture well, and skin that looked dull even though it was hydrated were now radiant. Also, my hair was easier to handle and broke up less with enters. Final thoughts. I have to say, cherry seed oil has surprised the hell out of me at this point. This is an all-rounder multi-action product that has helped in making my skin and hair healthier. So regardless of you looking to moisturize, add shine or overall rejuvenation, this oil is the perfect addition into any beauty routine. Cherry seed oil health benefits. A true beauty. This skin-softening cherry seed oil is rich in vitamins A and E to keep your complexion firm yet youthful. The high levels of antioxidants help combat free radicals and prevent the oxidative stress on our skin. Along with being anti-aging, cherry seed oil is also an inflammatory ingredient that can soothe irritated skin and reduce the appearance of redness as well, even be helping to heal minor blemishes. Additionally, cherry seed oil is rich in fatty acids, such as oleic and linoleic acid, which help support your skin's natural barrier to retain moisture, thereby preventing dehydration of the water. As a result, the skin in turn becomes softer and more hydrated over time. On hair, the same fatty acids soak together to moisturize scalp as well as our power component for healthier in addition to more powerful lock shafts simply by protecting against unanticipated breakage. Is cherry seed oil edible? It is equally helpful for the skin and hair, but due to its properties, cherry seed oil cannot be used as an edible. Although its nutrients promote skin health, it is not meant to be consumed. What they are: cherry seed oil processing plastic for cosmetic use, only how not to use them, and if you should worry with the oil, it should never be used unless external use is indicated by a reputable source or on the product itself. Skin and hair. For skin, cherry seed oil provides hydration, replenishment, and protection for the skin. This is particularly great for dry or sensitive skin as it calms irritation while providing a deep hydration. With frequent use, beneficial results include lessens fine lines and wrinkles as well hyperpigmentation, creating a more youthful appearance. For hair, it is also great for hair as cherry seed oil. It moisturizes, adds shine and strength to dry or damaged hair. This allows the product to penetrate deeper into hair shafts, reducing frizz, repairing split ends while leaving your locks soft and silky. Topically, massaging this oil into the scalp can also encourage healthier hair growth by boosting circulation and delivering vital nutrients. Cherry seed oil uses. Hyperpigmentation and E. The uses of cherry seed oil in your beauty regimen are numerous. Hydrating agent. Cherry seed oil can lock moisture, which is highly beneficial, especially when it comes to hydration after shower. Apply a few drops of cherry seeds oil on moist skin. Hair. Warm small amount of oil in your palms and massage into scalp or apply to ends of hair to prevent split ends / add shine. Facial oil. Add a drop or two to your nighttime skincare routine and pat on after cleansing. It maintains moisture balance of the skin overnight. Nail care. Massage the oil into your cuticles and nails to help strengthen them, increase circulation, and prevent brittle. Positive insights. In practice, cherry seed oil showed me several excellent benefits. Fast absorbing and non-greasy. It quickly absorbs into your skin without leaving any greasy residue. Multipurpose. Whether it be to moisturize the skin or address bodily hair, cherry seed oil can help you debonair yourself. Antioxidant rich. This oil contains antioxidants, which are great for mitigating the effects of aging and protecting your skin from environmental damage. Cherry seed oil studies that can be referred to. Research says. Cherry seed oil benefits. Anti-aging. Basically, the antioxidants in cherry seed oil also fight free radicals and help maintain skin elasticity that allow this feature to slow down the formation of wrinkles. Scientists by a group dermatologists. Hydrating properties. A leading cosmetic journal published a study where the oil was shown to moisturize much better than your average old coat of cream, thanks to it being able to go deeper into the dermis and even enhanced skin hydration factors. Another study acknowledged the fact of this oil to provide anti-inflammatory benefits. In turn, reduces redness and irritability, making it a great fit for sensitive skins. Strengthening hair. Laboratory analysis has concluded that cherry seed oil can add strength to the hair by supplying it with necessary fatty acids which enhance elasticity and resist breakage. UV protection. Initial research suggests that cherry seed oil may provide mild protection against UV damage. However, it should not be used as a substitution for sunscreen. Cherry seed oil is an ideal natural remedy that can greatly affect your skin and hair health. It will become a vital part of your daily beauty regime. You may also include it in your beauty and hair care routine to produce great results. Use it morning and night to get the most of its hydrating / rejuvenating benefits. Plus, it combines great with argan or jojoba oil to create a beauty treatment just for your skin type. Begin with a tiny volume of oil if you are new to this, and up it depending on what happens as your skin or hair will respond. FAQ section. How cherry seed oil beneficial for skin? The emulsion hydrates, nourishes, and even minimizes visible fine lines while making wrinkles less apparent. Is cherry seed oil good for all skin types? Well, it is mild enough for every skin type from normal to sensitive one. Frequency. When to use cherry seed oil? We recommend that you use it daily in combination with your typical skincare or hair care regimen, for even better results. FAQ section continued. Where to use cherry kernel seed oil on the scalp? Yes, you can massage the seed oil directly into your scalp. This will help nourish hair follicles and improve blood circulation to encourage growth. This works wonders for those who have dry or irritated scalps. Is cherry seed oil smelly? Cherry seed oil does not smell like cherries at all, and it has a really gentle fragrance that is in no way loud enough to overwhelm any other fragrances you might use on your skin. Does cherry seed oil treat acne? Although cherry seed oil is not an acne treatment in and of itself, the anti-inflammatory as well as moisturizing qualities present can aid to relax irritated skin or potentially decrease the magnitude of active breakouts. How long does cherry seed oil last when opened? If kept in a cool, dark place, cherry seed oil can hold for 12 to 18 months. It degrades faster when exposed to heat and light. Can cherry seed oil be combined with other skincare product? Cherry seed oil do mix in moisturizers, serums, or other oils. It also goes along well with layering of most skincare stuff. Does cherry seed oil clog pores? Cherry seed oil is non-comedogenic, which likely indicates that it does not clog pores. This makes it great for sensitive or acne-prone skin. Will cherry seed oil deal with wrinkles? It can indeed, because it is rich in antioxidants such as vitamin E. This will go a long way towards healing the skin and making those fine lines and wrinkles lessening, giving you more glowing youthful look. Summary. Cherry seed oil is an all-rounded perfect nutrient-rich oil for your skin as well hair care routine. It retains the skin moisture all day, thanks to its light texture and quick absorption without leaving oily residue. Great for all skin types to apply. Ease dryness and irritation on the face with signs or symptoms of aging. To hair, it gives sheen and smoothness and also the strength to help fight damage and split ends. While not for consumption, cherry seed oil is what I consider to be part of any good natural medicine cabinet. It yields observable results even by itself or stacked with other treatments and is almost painless. Cherry seed oil can be a game changer for you and your beauty routine. It will make your skin softer, your hair shinier, and you happier to know that you're doing it with a completely natural product. Cherry seed oil isn't just another oil. It's a luxurious and wildly beneficial oil suitable for both hair and skin treatments. The benefits of cherry seed oil are endless, whether you need extra nourishing and hydration or protection against the aging process. In this review, I've covered all your questions, my personal experiences, and scientific research studies. If you're looking for a new natural oil, cherry seed oil is a must-have in your skincare and hair care collection. This oil is great. It is great for dry, mature, or sensitive skin but can be used on all skin types. So is cherry seed oil an environmentally friendly option? Cherry seed oil is an eco- and nature-friendly, sustainable choice for your beauty routine. How to store cherry seed oil? Keep it in a cool, dark place. Same as always with natural oils to maintain the potency and shelf life of your cherry seed oil. Can I mix my cherry seed oil in with the regular moisturizer, then apply as usual? Absolutely. Cherry seed oil can be incorporated into your regular skincare products with ease, making it a versatile and efficient hydration booster for moisturizers. And this sums up the detailed extended review of cherry seed oil. Thus, we have seen how this type of oil is not just a nutritional ingredient, but a natural treasure full of health and beauty benefits. Whether you use it in your food, to care for your skin, or even to boost your health, this liquid gold deserves to be a part of your daily life. If you liked the video, don't forget to support us by liking and subscribing to the channel until you receive everything new. And tell us in the comments how to use olive oil in your life. See you in the next video. Stay healthy and well. Thank you. Cherry seed oil.